Hi, it's Paul Blaine here, Managing Director of CBAT. We have a course running on the 26th of February and there is only 6 spaces left. It is around the CQC, New Single Assessment Framework, how to put a strategy in place in terms of that inspection. We will go through all the quality statements within the course and all the evidence that you can start to build in relation to those quality statements. As a team at CBAT, we've been monitoring the Single Assessment Framework for around about 12 months now. Put a lot of workbooks together for it and been delivering training to thousands of managers across the country with amazing feedback. The cost to attend this virtual classroom, which happens from 10 AM to 4 PM, is £100, but I promise you now it will be the best £100 investment that you do in order to get yourself into the mindset of the Single Assessment Framework, what they're looking for, be able to put a vision together and work with your team to be ready for that inspection day. So 26th of February, 6 spaces left. I normally deliver this training course to around about 50 people per session. I've done many conferences on it. This will be for 12 spaces, so you will get dedicated time to understand this process and also put those strategies in place. To book onto this course, you need to go to www.cbassociatetraining.co.uk, go into the open courses. I'll put the link on anyway. Click on the virtual course and book yourself on to that workshop. My guarantee to you is it will be the best 6 hours that you spend in preparation for CQC.